Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by turning on macro control so you can choose macro when needed. This gives you explicit control. Next, pick the 0. 5x ultra wide or the phone's macro option. That lens lets you get very close while keeping sharpness. Clean the lens, then approach your subject slowly until focus locks. Hold the phone steady and use your elbows as a brace. Once you've locked focus, you're ready to refine exposure and composition to get a crisp macro frame. Once focus is locked, tap and hold to set AE/AF so focus and exposure don't shift unexpectedly. Then drag the exposure slider to recover highlights or lift shadows. Small changes matter at macro scale. Add continuous LED light or diffuse a flashlight for even illumination, and use a reflector for fill if shadows are harsh. If you want maximum editing headroom, turn on Pro RAW or lock white balance, so skin tones or plant greens remain consistent across shots. You finish by stabilizing the phone. Mount it on a tripod or clamp, then use burst mode for moving subjects to capture the best frame. Review images at 100% to check sharpness, and if needed, retake with a hair's breadth change in angle or distance to find the plane of focus. If focus refuses to lock, clean the lens, toggle macro control off and on, and restart the camera app. This simple troubleshoot usually restores precise macro focus.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.